Bastos ba ako?
And naging professor ng constitutional law, I'm familiar with the rules of the Senate. And the Senate says that in proving facts, the rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang
excuse
po-
me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate
Well,
are.
I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. You don't
My
need to
answer
cite,
po
it's not
is
necessary.
that document is only evidence of its existence. Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier, excuse
hindi
me,
po siya
excuse me.
po
No,
pwede.
excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me kasi
No, excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but I am
Yes,
a
it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I
Wait,
was
wait.
asked
Let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko po
already answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto niyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil, papatigil niyo kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes.
I thought we were engaged in
Attorney.
the search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I am saying, yes, and
Chair.
Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
One more,
I
and
apologize.
I will cite you in contempt. And if you disrespect the chairperson, we'll be compelled to cite you in contempt.
I understand and I apologize.
Mo naman
Your Honor.
sabayan siya, nagsasalita siya, siya ang chairperson.
Okay, Your Honor. I understand. I apologize.
Salamat. That is really the subject of intense investigation on the part of my committee, the Senate Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality. And lumalabas na sa mga ulat sa inyo, sa media, hindi na lang kami ang nag-iimbestiga ng ganyang anggulo. Pati na po ang PAOK. Dahil lumalabas talaga yung puganteng nahanap dyan sa bahay na mukhang bahay ni former Secretary Roque. He's no ordinary Chinese national. He is a fugitive wanted for defrauding up to 500,000 people up to this point in time. Nasa red list pa nga ng Interpol itong si Sun Liming. And Mr. Roque, former Secretary Attorney Roque, siya ang may-ari nung bahay through yung PH2 Corporation, na sabi niya, yan naman daw, hindi daw siya ang may-ari ng bahay. Pero yung PH2 Corporation is also majority shareholder doon, ang Biancham Corporation, kung saan incorporator siya, si Attorney Roque at yung mga associates niya. At inamin din ni Attorney Roque na may bantay siya sa bahay na yun at sinusupervise niya yung nangyayari doon. Kaya nakapagtataka talaga sa dinami-dami ng bahay dito sa bayang Pilipinas, dun pa talaga sa sinasabing bahay niya natagpuan yung fugitive na yan.
But please understand din po na from what Attorney Fernandez is saying, I mean from someone who's listening lang po from what she was saying, is that it's no longer just as a lawyer for Cassandra Leong. Kasi you're now asking about the requirements for the renewal of the IGL. So parang it's no longer just a service provider. As a service provider siguro, you'd provide other things other than securing their renewal of their permits. Would that be fair to say na ang agent nga lang as service provider siya pa naglalakad for the renewal of the permits from PAGCOR?
Totoo po kasi nung panahon na yon, na-revoke na yung appointment ni Dennis Cunanan as representative to PAGCOR. So it was already Cassandra Ong. After that meeting, that became the representative of Lucky South.
Of whom you represent?
I represented her because she's an employee, corporate secretary of
Kaya
Orwin.
nga po. So,
Opo.
siya nagiging representative ng Lucky South 99 at ikaw yung abogado niya. Tama po ba?
Well, abogado
From
po
your
ako.
explanation po, ngayon.
Well, ayun po, dahil ang Whirlwind nga po ay ahente.
No. It was Cassandra Leong who was the agent of, you said, di ba? Sabi mo, pinalitan niya si Dennis Cunanan. Siya na ang naging representante ngayon ng Lucky South 99. At ikaw yung abogado niya. So, you are now lawyering for a representative of Lucky South 99.
I
Correct?
disagree po. Kasi po, ang Cassandra Ong was there as part of Whirlwind. So I was representing for Cassandra Ong of Whirlwind, acting as representative of Lucky South. That is a more accurate po. And pursuant to the laws of agency
Isn't that
po.
like stretching the definition na rin po?
Hindi naman po. Kasi
Okay.
kung ako po talaga yung nag-lawyer for Lucky South, ang tanong ko, wala pong masama doon. Pero ang punto, hindi po talaga ako
Sino po?
nag-lawyer.
Hindi lawyer for Lucky South 99. I'm just saying, na as you said, Cassandra Leong replaced Dennis Cunanan as the agent of Lucky South 99. And you are the counsel for the representative of Lucky South 99. Yun lang po. I'm not saying na
Well-
directly to Lucky South 99, but of the agent of Lucky South 99.
Nung nabanggit mo yung tungkol sa kanya mga dokumentong natagpuan natin doon na di umano nakapangalan sa kanya, sabi ko nga, I found nothing suspicious in that. We, PAOK, CIDG, DOJ, wala kami nakitang suspicious doon. Whatever private relationships may have led to the discovery of those documents there, labas po kami doon. Pero nung sunod-sunod na, ibang bagay na yon. Plus, may mga natatanggap kami ngayon, may mga lumalapit na willing magtestigo, mag-provide ng testimonya. So, malakas ang aming paniniwala na hindi na ito coincidence, kundi meron kaming sapat para masampahan ang mga taong ito, kasama na po si Ginoong Roque. Pero yun nga po, hahayaan ho natin ang Department of Justice na magdetermina noon sa filing.
May hulanong salita na ang ibig sabihin dito ay ang pagkakaisa. Bunyog Party List. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na.
Sa susunod, ang atinang suportahan, Bunyog Party List, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, lumalaban para sa bayan.